Good morning everyone. This video is about to describe the blood groups and RH factor. What is blood and why it is red in color? Blood is red in color due to RBC and hemoglobin present in it. Commonly blood contains plasma which contains WBC. WBC means white blood cells. Their main action is to protect our body from infections. RPC, red blood cells, which carries oxygen to the tissues all over the body. Thirdly, platelets. Platelets' main function is to clot the blood whenever there is injury or cut in our body. So WBC protects from infections. RBC carries oxygen to the tissues. Platelets helps in a clot formation. Next, antigens. Antigens are the proteins present on RBC, and antibodies protects the body from other organisms or virus, bacteria, anything. So these things, these antigens, antibodies, we have to keep in our mind while knowing about the blood groups. Coming to the blood groups, commonly we have 4 blood groups: A, B, AB, O. Then based on O positive and negative, totally 8 we can say. So basically 4 blood groups we have. Then what they have now we will be learning. Blood group A contains antigen A. So based on the antigen we will giving the name to that blood group. So A means A antigen and B antibody. B blood group contains antigen B and antibody A. AB has both antigens, that is A and B. So based on which antigen we have, that name is given. AB will be having both A and B antigens and no antibodies in AB blood group. Coming to the O, it is reverse. O group don't have any antigens. So no A or B or AB. Okay, so no antigen is present in the O, but it has both the antibodies. So this is the reason why we will call as AB is universal recipient and O is universal donor. Let us know about which blood group can receive blood from which blood group and donate to which other groups. Coming to the blood group A, blood group can A can receive from which group? Means same group, which antigen it has, that same blood group they can receive. Okay, so A can receive blood from A and O, and they can donate blood to A. A means what? It has the A antigen and also AB. B blood group can receive blood from B and O, and it can donate blood to B and AB. Coming to AB, AB has what? Both antigens. So it can receive from all other groups A, B and O and AB also. Okay. They can donate blood to only AB. Then coming to the O, they can receive blood only from O group. So why? Because it has antibodies. Okay, no antigens, it has both antibodies. So it can receive from only O, and it can donate to all groups, that is A, B, AB. Coming to the RH factor. What is RH factor? It is a special antigen or protein that is present on the RBC, and it is first discovered in the rhesus monkey. So which has this factor is called positive. Who don't have this factor are called negative. For example, A, in the people who have RH factor on their RBC, okay, they are called A positive, B positive, AB positive, O positive. Who don't have this RH factor on RBC, they are called A negative, B negative, AB negative, O negative. Coming to this based on positive and negative, how they can receive blood. Positive blood groups can receive blood from both positive and negative. Means A positive can receive blood from A positive person and also A negative person. But negatives can receive blood only from negatives. Means if person is B negative, he can receive only from B negative. That we have to understand. Okay. So now AB, strictly speaking, AB positive blood group is universal recipient. What we said, positives can receive from blood from both positive and negative. That's why commonly AB is universal recipient. So AB, in that again specifically, AB positive is universal recipient. So they don't have any restrictions. They can take blood from anybody. Coming to O. O positive or negative? What we said, negative people can take only from negative. Means O negative is universal donor because they don't have factor. O positive again having factor, no? That's why. So O negative is the universal donor. They can give blood to any group, any other groups. So it is a special group, but they can receive blood only from O negative. That is the very risky. So O negative people are very rare blood group and they have to get blood from only O negative. Coming to this factor. So for example now, if RH husband, RH positive husband, RH negative wife, they got married. Okay. If the child born with the same group of mother, means RH negative mother, RH negative baby, no problem at all. Because mother and baby are of same group. If mother is negative, baby is positive, means baby is getting father's blood. Okay. Then what will happen? Antibodies are formed in RH negative mother because there is a connection between mother, okay, fetus and the mother, and the umbilical cord cut, then the blood will be mixing. So antibodies are formed in RH negative mother. This will affect the second baby. So if first baby, it is saved, okay. If RH negative mother and RH positive baby, first baby is safe. If second baby also positive, now these antibodies which are already formed at the time of first delivery will affect the second baby and baby may die due to death of the RBC. To prevent this, all RH negative mother should be given RhoGAM injection intramuscularly at the time of 7th month of pregnancy and 72 hours after delivery so that the baby can be saved. Okay, life of the baby can be saved due to this RH and negative issues. Okay, thank you for watching.